robe left far behind. I saw the bones of yesterday, dry from tears and pain. Voices lost in silent cries, calling out in vain. Then I heard a voice from heaven say, "Do you still believe?" When the world says it's over now, faith is all you need. Dry bones, rise again. Hear the word of the Lord. What was dead will breathe again by the power of His word. Oh, dry bones, stand up strong. You were never alone. The breath of life is coming down. Dry bones are going home. Said, speak life into the dust. Don't be afraid to try. What man calls finished and forgotten, God can still revive. Sinews forming, flesh and skin, a miracle inside. From the ashes of despair, He turns the dark to light. Every lace on every soul lost along the way. If you hear His voice today, you don't have to stay that way. Dry bones, rise again. Hear the word of the Lord. What was dead will breathe again by the power of His word. Dry bones, stand up strong. You were never alone. The breath of life is coming now. Dry bones are going home. Africa, don't give up. My brother, don't give up. My sister, don't give up. If God can raise our bones, He can raise you too. Dry bones, rise again. From the valley to the throne, He puts His spirit deep within and calls His children home. Dry bones, testify. Let the whole world know where the Spirit of the Lord moves. Even dry bones go. It's not not just a story of old. It's not such fucking day. For breathing by his mercy now. Stand up. Find your way. Walking through a valley so low, where the sun refused to shine. Broken dreams on the dusty road, hope left far behind. I saw the bones of yesterday, tears and pain, voices lost in silent cries, calling out in vain. And I heard a voice from heaven say, do you still believe? When the world says it's over now, faith is all you need. Oh, dry bones rise again. Hear the word of the Lord. What was dead will breathe again by the power of His word. Dry bones, stand up strong. You were never alone. The breath of life is coming now. Dry bones are going home. He said, speed life into the dust. Don't be afraid to try. What man calls finished and forgotten, God can still revive. Sinews forming, flesh and skin, a miracle inside. From the ashes of despair, He turns the dark to light. Every brother,
don't give up.
my sister,
Don't give up.
we've got to raise
Triangles,
triangles.
triangles.
He can raise you tall. Triangles, rise again from the valley to the throne. He puts his spirit deep within and calls his children home. Triangles,
Testify.
testify. Let the whole world know. When the Spirit of the Lord moves, even dry bones grow. This is not just a story of hope. It's a message for today. If you're breathing by His mercy now, stand up